the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we're going to be unboxing some art supplies that we have for the whole school year. It looks big because it's for 3 kids for the whole year. So here it is. So this one is a computer bag for Chanel. Charlie, I got you a computer bag for later. And here's some, these are some straws.
I gotta move a bit.
This is a fluffy yarn in yellow.
Can I see this?
And there's
Yes,
some
acorns.
tissue papers, some
Mommy,
acorns, glitters.
Look how many colors are there.
So this tissue paper comes with 12 tissues. And then I got some flashlight. Oh, this is a black light.
Can I see it?
A black light that's rechargeable. Has a charger. And this is a paper fastener. Let's see, let's open it up. It looks like it's like the colorful paper fasteners. This one is a pastel, chalk pastel. We got some tiny spritz bottles. And some spritz bottle for our art.
Can I see it?
This is an art supply for kindergarten, 2nd grade, and 4th grade. They have all the equipment, the materials listed, so I just bought it all in Temu. This tea lights, this battery operated tea lights, candles. Got 1.5 inches puncher, circle puncher, actually a heart puncher. So this is heart. So you can see it's a heart shape. Another brown fluffy yarn, so that's part of this.
Can I take it off?
Got a whole set of yarn. It's different color. Got a red fluffy yarn. So there's 3 of these fluffy yarns I got. Like corn husk. It's part of their project. And then I got this droppers. What are these? These are some glow-in-the-dark paints. There's some metallic markers. This is just a tack it. It's for like poster tacky putty. And then I got some assorted buttons, some snowflake, assorted color snowflakes for crafts. What else do we have here? We got some white snowflakes. This is just white snowflakes, so they're kind of part of that. I got a set of ribbons. These are about, here's actually tapes. These are colorful tapes. And then I got some button eyes, assorted eyes. It's like googly eyes. And then we got some assorted leaves for the project. It's a eucalyptus leaves. And we got some assorted ribbons, different colors, around 1/2 inch, or this is like 0.75 inches. I got some stamps, a stamp pad. I got some foam brushes for painting. I got some decorative tapes. They're very tiny. And there's another one. Decorative tapes. And there's some glitter glues. Feathers, peasant feathers for crafts. A puncher. 1.5 inch puncher. Push pins. This is just a black light, flashlight. I need to put batteries in it, but it's just a black light flashlight. So I got 2 of those. I got some sequins. Got a jar for their project. We needed one jar for the project. I got some Velcro tapes. And I got this huge clip with paper clips. I got some picture hangers. More ribbons that are thicker. These are some forks that we need also for the project. A magnetic strip tape. Some putty. More putty. Is there anything else? There's some paper clips. Got everything.
That's the last one.
Some bells, and
Mommy,
we got
what's
more
that?
assorted small
Can I
snowflakes.
check what is that?
And then we got this last piece is what is this? Oh, what is that?
On the bed. I'm gonna tell Mommy to open it. Mommy.
What are these?
Oh, it's
The last one I have are these paint brushes.
Why did you give egg that shallow? No, I'm going to this.
So that's all for our haul
What is
for
it
today.
getting?
Haul for
If
today.
it's actually getting.
So let's
It's
see.
fine.
Here's our art supplies haul.
Jenny.
These are our art supply haul for the whole school year, and it really saved me a lot of money to buy it in bulk in Temu. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.